Applications of 3D graphics. Number 1. Entertainment industry. This is perhaps the most well-known application of 3D graphics. Video games, movies, and television shows heavily rely on 3D graphics for creating immersive environments, characters, special effects, and animations. Number 2. Architecture and design. Architects and designers use 3D graphics to create detailed models of buildings, interiors, and landscape. Engineering and manufacturing. 3D graphics are used in engineering and manufacturing for product design, prototyping, and simulations. Engineers can create accurate 3D models of components and assemblies to test their functionality, performance, and durability before actual production. Number 4. Medical visualization. In fields like medicine and healthcare, 3D graphics are used for visualizing anatomical structures, medical imaging data, such as CT scans and MRI scans, surgical planning, and educational purposes. Number 5. Education and training. 3D graphics are increasingly used in educational settings to enhance learning experiences. Number 6. Simulation and virtual reality or VR. Industries such as aviation, automotive, and military use 3D graphics for simulation purposes. Advertising and marketing. 3D graphics are used in advertising and marketing campaigns to create visual appealing and persuasive content. Number 8. GIS or Geographic Information System. GIS applications use 3D graphics to represent geographic data in three-dimensional space. This allows for better visualization and analysis of terrain, urban planning, environmental factors, and structures development. Number 9. Scientific visualization. Scientists and researchers use 3D graphics to visualize complex datasets such as molecular structures, climate models, astronomical phenomena, and geological formations. Next, number 10. Art and creativity. 3D graphics provide artists and designers with new tools and techniques for expressing their creativity. They can be used to create digital sculptures, virtual environments, and abstract compositions, and experimental multimedia artworks. Next is role of mathematics in graphics. Number 1 is geometry. Geometry is the foundation of computer graphics. Concepts such as points, lines, curves, surfaces, and solids are represented mathematically. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is extensively used in computer graphics to present geometrical transformations, manipulate vectors and matrices, solve system of equations, and perform operations such as dot products and cross products. Trigonometry. Trigonometric functions like sine and cosine crucial for calculating rotations and angles in 2D and 3D space. Calculus. Calculus is employed in various areas of computer graphics including curve and surface modeling, animation, physics simulations, and optimization. Numerical methods. Numerical methods are employed to solve equations and approximate solutions in scenarios where exact solutions are not feasible or efficient. Algorithms and data structures. Mathematical concepts are used to develop algorithms and data structures for efficient storage, manipulation, and rendering of geometric data. Examples include spatial partitioning techniques like BSP trees or octrees, as well as algorithms for collision detection and ray tracing. Probability and statistics. Probability and statistics are utilized in areas such as Monte Carlo simulations, stochastic rendering techniques, and procedural content generation. Signal processing. Signal processing techniques are applied to tasks such as image filtering, texture, synthesis, and compression. Signal processing. Optimization techniques are used to improve the efficiency and performance of graphics algorithms and rendering pipelines such as this includes optimization of rendering algorithms, shader programs, and geometric processing tasks to achieve real-time performance in interactive applications.